Hi, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope we are all good. సో దసరాని బాగా జరుపుకున్నారని అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను. సో బిఫోర్ హాలిడేస్, సో we learn numbers. What we learn? Numbers. So let's recollect them once again. My right hand. This is my right hand. I show if I raise one finger. This is the ring finger. So if I raise one ring finger means one, O-N-E, one. And next if I raise two fingers means two, T-W-O, two. And if I raise three fingers means T-H-R-E-E, three. And if I raise four fingers means four, F-O-U-R, four. I'm closing these four fingers and raising only one thumb finger. Means this is the 5. What is the value of thumb finger? 5. F-I-V-E, 5. What is the value of this finger? 5. And next, if I raise one finger, value 1. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 6, yes, I X 6. And next, if I raise another finger, so 5 plus 1 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. And if I raise another finger, 5, 6, 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. And if I raise my little finger, so 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And if I raise my left hand, this finger is 10. Left hand, this finger 10. So now this is the value. This value is 10. So now if I raise the 10 finger and 1 finger. See, my dear students, 10 finger and 1 finger. So what happened now? 10 plus 1, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. And next, if I raise 2 fingers, my right hand 2 fingers, what is the number? 10, 11, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And next, if I raise 3 fingers, my right hand 3 fingers, so what is the number? 10. This is 10 and 11, 12, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. And next, if I raise 4 fingers on my right hand, what happened? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. And next, I'm closing 4 fingers and I raising 1 thumb finger. So what is the number? 10, 5, 15. 10, 5, 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. And next, if I raise 1 finger, so 10, 5, 1. 10, 5, 15, 16, 16. 16. 16. And next, if I raise another finger, what is the number now? 10, 5, 15, plus 1, 16, plus 1, 17. SEVENTEEN, 17. If I raise another finger, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 1, 16, plus 1, 17, plus 1, 18. EIGHTEEN, 18. Now, if I raise another finger on my right hand, so what's the number now? 10, 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. What is the number? 19. NINETEEN, 19. Now, if I raise another finger, middle finger of the left hand, this is the 10, and this is also 10. So combine these numbers, 10 plus 10, 20, TWENTY, 20, 10 plus 10, 20. So this is all about the yesterday class. So today we are going to learn the numbers on an abacus. Today our topic is numbers on an abacus. Hey students, open your textbook, Maths Term 1 textbook. Here page number 65. Numbers on an abacus. You already know the abacus tab tool. So once again, I draw here abacus tool. In this chapter only 2-digit numbers, so I'm taking 2 sticks. Means these are called spikes or rods. And here I'm taking one circular bead. This is called bead. So this is called total abacus tool. What is the tool name is ones, and this is tens. The tool name is abacus tool. So in this abacus tool, these lines we call as the spike or rods. So we putting beads on the spikes. This is bead. So here from the right hand spike name is ones and left hand spike name is tens. So now here I'm taking another bead here. So here ones place. So how many beads in ones place? How many beads are there in ones place? Only one. So I'm writing here 1. Ones place 1. This is the right side. So I'm writing here. And next is in tens place. How many beads are there in tens place? Only 1. So right here, this is the left side. So 1. So what is the number? 11. This abacus tool represent the which number? 11 number represents. So this is the abacus tool. Let's see one more example for the 2-digit numbers and abacus. I am taking here 15. He already given the 15 for example to us. Here 15 has a two values. First one is from the right side. 5 is ones place. This is the right side and this is the left side. 1 is in tens place. So 5 is right side. So right side spike is we call ones and left side spike is called tens. So this is the 5 is in right side. So 5 is in ones place. And here 1 is left side. So 1 is in tens place. So now we draw the abacus 2 for this number. Here I am taking 2 spikes. This is 1 spike and this is 10 spike. So here we already know the left side ones. I am writing here ones and here tens. So ones value is 5. So 5 beads draw on that on the 1 spike. This is the 1 spike because this is right side. So we draw the 5 beads on the 1 spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. Next move to left side number is in tens place. What is the value? 1. So now I draw the 1 bead on the 10 spike. So now count it 5 beads in 1's place and 10's place 1 bead. So what is the number then? 15. What is the number name? 15. So here some questions are there in our textbook. My dear students, look at your textbook. Here one example is given 13. Here I draw the one abacus tool. So here 1's place and 10's place. So now here 3 beads is given and here 1 bead is given. So now we find the number with using these beads. Let's see. 1's place. First we count the right side of the spike beads. This is the 1's place spike beads. Here 1, 2, 3. 1's place we have a 3 beads. So write down here 3 under the 1's place as 1 spike. And next move to left spike. His name is tens. So how many beads in 10 spike? How many beads are there in 10 spike? Is in 1. So what is the name of this number? Means 1 tens. 1 tens place 3 ones. 3 ones. That means 1 into 10. 1 into 10 place 3 into 1. Ones. Ones means 1. Tens means 10. 3 into 1. So I am taking brackets here. The result is 1 into 10. 1 tens are 10. Place 3 ones are 3. So combine these numbers. What is the value of this finger? My left hand. What is the value of the finger, ring finger? 10. And next place 3. 1, 2, 3. So combine these 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is the value? 13. Here already given, the answer is 13. See my dear students, in your textbook, here is 13 on the circle. So let's do another exam, another mark. Here, ones place there is a no beats. So I'm taking single line. Now here, tens place we has a 2 beats. So now ఇప్పుడు మనం దీని నంబర్ని కనుక్కుందాం. ఎలా అంటే ఫస్ట్ from the right side. Here ones place. Ones place means into 1. In these ones place there is a no beats. So what we do? There is a no beats because there is a no value. It empty spike stands for 0. Empty spike stand for 0. Empty ఏమీ లేని ఈ స్పైక్ జీరోను సూచిస్తుంది. అంటే ఏమీ లేదంటే మనం 0 తీసుకోవాలి. సో నెక్స్ట్ మూవ్ టు left side. What's the name? Tens. Tens place means into 10. So how many beats are there in tens place? 1, 2. 2 beats. 2 beats. So I'm writing 2 here. So now multiply these numbers. 2 tens are 20. Place 0 ones are 0. So what is the value? What is the number? 20. This abacus shows the number is 20. Now see the next question here. Tens place, and here in tens place only one single beat, and next ones place having 1. So here these are the beats. This is the abacus tool. So now we find the number of this abacus tool. First ones place. Here this is the ones place. So write down into 1 here. And next we count the beats. So my dear students, how many beats are there in ones place or one spike? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down 8 here. And move to next spike. Means left spike. Here tens place. Into tens place means into 10. So how many beats are there in tens place? Only single beat. So write down here 1. 1 tens are 10. Place 8 ones are 8. Now count it. What is the value of this finger? 10. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So add these numbers. 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what is the number? 18. This abacus shows the 18 number. And now next one. Here we taking another abacus tool. So now here ones place. So write down into 1. Now how many beads are there in one spike? Count with me. 1, 2. Write down 2 here. And next move to left spike. What is the name of the left spike? Tens. Write down into 10. And how many beads are there in 10 spike? Only 1 bead. So write down. So you know the one table. 1 tens are 10 plus 2 ones are 2. So 10, 2, 10, 11, 12. So what is the name of this number? 12. This abacus tool shows the number 12. So here remaining problems are there. Tens here. This is the. My dear students, do this homework. And next, my dear students, turn the page. Here page number is 66. Here one bit is there. Draw beads on the abacus for the given number. In before bit, we find the number which shows the abacus tool. ఏదైతే abacus tool చూపిస్తుందో ఆ నంబర్ని మనం కనుక్కున్నాం. Now we solve the number. వాళ్ళ నంబర్ ఇస్తారు, మనం అదిని abacus tool మీద చూపించాలి. Let's see. Here one example is given. So here number is 12. 12 is given in circle. So my dear students, look at your book. Here 12 is number is there. So now we find the right side of the number place is ones. We already know the right side of the number place ones. And left side of the number place is tens. So now 2 is ones place and 1 is represented in tens place. So now here what is the number in ones place? 2. So I draw the 2 beads. On the ones spike. This is the one spike. So I draw the 2 beads here. And next here move to left side. So 10 spike. What is the value in 10 spike? Tens place is 1. So I draw the 1 bead on the tens spike. So count it in ones place 1. How many beads are there in ones place? 2. And next here 10. And how many beads are there in tens place? 10 spike is 1. So now 1 tens are 10 plus 2 ones are 2. So 10 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. So what is the value? 12. So this is the representation of number on abacus tool. Let's see another example. The answer is already given in your textbook. Let's see another question. Here number is 14. What is the number? 14. In this number 2 digits are there. First one is from the right side we call ones place and left side we call tens place. First we do the ones place, divide the ones place and tens place, and next we draw the beads on the spikes. Here 4. What is the value in ones place? 4. So I draw the 4 beads on the one spike. This is the one spike. So I draw the 4 beads on one spike. And next move to left side is 1. Value is 1. So I draw the 1 bead on the 10 spike. So now we check this abacus tool if we draw the beads is correct or wrong. So let's see. Here ones place into 1 and next count these beads 1, 2, 3, 4 and next here tens and how many beads are there? 1. So 1 tens 10 plus 4 ones 4. 10 plus 4 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the representation is correct. Now move to next. Here number is 8. Here number is 8. Now I draw the number is 8. There is this is only one single digit. So this is it. Any single digit placed in ones place. Any single digit aina and up to 0 to 9. A number aina sare adi ones place lone untadi. So here 8 is in ones place. So this is the one spike. Now we draw the 8 beads on the one spike. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beads on the one spike. So let's count. 1, 8 beads. 8 ones are 8. This empty spike stands for 0. We already know the empty spike is represented as a 0. So consider this number only 8. Now move to next one. Next one is 6. Any single digit placed in ones place, you already know, no? So now we draw the 6 beads on the ones spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see whether it is right or wrong. So now we check this abacus tool. 1, 2, ones place into 1. And how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. And here 10 spike is empty. So it represents it or it stands for 0. So 0 plus 6 ones are 6. 6. The value is 6. So this representation is correct.